Hi guys, welcome to Let's Trip Desi. Today's vlog is all about how to make your GoPro for the vlog. How to use your GoPro for vlogs. I have purchased certain accessories and I'll tell you how you can use this. First of all, we have bought this Olanzi casing wherein we need to use this for all the products, in which we can put all the products and then we can use it for the vlog. So I'll show you one by one. First, we need to put our GoPro in this Olanzi casing. This is how you need to put your GoPro inside. The second step is we will put this tripod inside this casing so that we can put the GoPro in a standing way also. This one I have got it along with the GoPro. It's very easy to screwing up. By your hand also you can do it. Okay, so second step, we will add light to it. This is also from Olanzi. This is easily available on Amazon. I'll attach the link in the description. This is how it looks. You have this option, you can enhance the light features and you can on and off. Like this, you can increase the level of the light also. This is how it looks that you have increased the all levels. Let's switch it off and attach it. It is very easy to attach with this casing. This is called coil shoe attachment. It has 3-4 casing in this also, and this it has one, so you need to attach it like this, and you can screw it up and tight it, and according to your facing you can use it. It will be this like. Let's attach the mic now. This is again, I bought it from Amazon. I'll attach the link in the description box. This was costing me somewhere around 2000 rupees. I don't exactly remember the price, but yes, somewhere around 2000. Okay, so we have this aux with this mic. We'll attach it here one, and the another one will go inside this. I'll tell you how we can use it. And we will place it here and again screw it up so that it should not fall. Now the main point, we will add this adapter and added the mic into the adapter so that the charging cable we will have extra, and also this will help us to attach the mic. This is how it looks. This is how this casing specially helpful attach for all the equipments. This is how it goes inside. And with this we are not able to charge we will not be able to charge our GoPro, so it has extra charging point as well, and this will go to the adapter so that the mic should work. Now let's start the GoPro. This is how it looks, and let's open the tripod. Thanks for watching my vlog setup video. For more videos like this, please go and subscribe my channel by the name of Let's Trip Desi. Please do subscribe and click on the bell button to get the notification on next few videos. Thank you.